here from 1A Auto, and today I want to talk about a LED work light that we sell on our webpage. It has 2200 lumen. It's a plug-in, and the magnet is what I can say is quite strong because I can't even take it off the table. It also tilts, has two knobs for adjustment, so if you can mount it flat, you can leave it like that, angle it straight up and down. So if you need this light or any other tools for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.